In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana, how to make a subtask a task, and vice versa. We'll start right inside Asana. First, head to the project where you want to reorganize your work. You can open it from the sidebar, or use the search bar if you have a lot of projects. Once the project is open, make sure you're in a view where you can see the task list clearly. List view is especially handy for this, because it makes dragging items easier to control. Next, click any task to open its details. This brings up the task pane on the right, where you'll see the task's description, assignee, due date, and below that, a subtasks section. This panel is where you'll both create subtasks and convert between subtasks and top-level tasks. Now, click Add Subtask. A new line appears where you can type the name of your subtask. Give it a clear, actionable title so it's easy to track later. When you're done typing, press Enter to create it. You can keep adding more by pressing Enter again, or you can assign it, add a due date, or include notes. Everything works just like it does for a normal task. If you don't see the subtasks section, scroll in the details pane. It's easy to overlook on longer tasks. Here's the part that makes moving between task and subtask simple. You can drag and drop. To make a subtask a full task, grab the subtask by its drag handle and pull it out into the main project task list until you see the list highlight, then release. It will become a standalone task in that project. To go the other direction, making a task into a subtask, drag that task onto the target parent task. When you drop it on the task's name or into its subtasks area in the details pane, it becomes a subtask under that parent. Look for the visual highlight Asana shows to confirm you're dropping it in the right place. A few tips to keep things smooth. Converting doesn't delete anything. Assignees, due dates, attachments, and comments come along for the ride. If you're working with sections or columns, make sure you drop in the correct place so the item lands where you expect. Permissions matter, so you'll need edit access to move tasks around. If you make a mistake, use undo to quickly revert. And if dragging feels finicky, switch to list view and zoom in a bit for more precise control. That's it. You've opened your project, created a subtask, and learned how to convert between a subtask and a task using a simple drag